Hello guys, Nikki here from HeyLink.me, and today I'm gonna show you one of the important features of the website related to the looks of your profile. So let's get started. By the way, just a quick reminder that you just have your account already signed in to be able to access the layout option in HeyLink.me. Now you say you are already logged in, and this is how it will appear, and you'll notice that there are several tabs available. And this time we are gonna focus on the appearance tab. And you just have to scroll down a little, and here you'll see two options you can select. These are the avatar and the cover image. By the way, what you can see on my right screen should be an example on how those options would look like should you select them according to your preference. If I click avatar, this is how it will appear. Then if I click cover image, this is how it's gonna look like. And a quick reminder that again, that this feature is only available for Pro subscriptions. And you'll notice a difference in terms of their appearance, which of course, it will depend on your chosen layout. And now, you will see a background image on the example, which is the theme. To access it, scroll down a little to the theme, and here, there you will all of the available options you can select based on what you look like, with an option to create your own if you prepare. And again, a quick reminder that all of the Pro selection themes feature is only available for Pro subscriptions. So let's try creators number 2. This is gonna be look like when you click the creators number 2. And pretty simple, right? Now, I let you do it, and I am excited to see what kind of appearance your profile will have. And that's it. Thank you.